Fish Enterprises, located in Bakersfield, is a specialty cleaning company that provides solar panel cleaning, pressure washing, window cleaning, and janitorial services in Bakersfield, Fresno, Visalia, Tulare, Tehachapi, and surrounding cities. For over 20 years, we have been providing a wealth of services for both residential and commercial settings. Our services include janitorial services, solar panel cleaning, pressure washing, and window cleaning. Our professional janitorial services come highly recommended. Solar panel cleaning helps your panels perform at their best when using the right equipment and deionized water. Pressure washing is important to keeping your buildings and sidewalks clean from dirt, gum, bird droppings, cobwebs, oil, etc. We can also professionally clean your gutters, removing debris and blockages that could result in further damage down the road. Give us a call today at 661-363-3191 to learn more about how we can help you.